Hi everyone, and welcome back to Wealth Guide. Have you ever thought about earning money while watching videos online? Well, if you haven't, then you should stick around to find out how to start earning. It's easy and it'll take a few minutes to do so. Today, we'll be talking about how to earn $100 on your first day watching videos online. Make sure you stay until number 1 so you don't miss the best method to watch and earn money. Number 6. Make a PayPal account. This is compulsory to start making any money with these methods. You first need to have a PayPal account. This will assure that you have a safe and secure way to hold on to all of the money that you make. This is also the preferred wallet for the methods that we will be using today. PayPal is one of the most widely used online wallets out there. It's simple to set up a PayPal account. First, visit the website, and then once you're there, you're going to want to just click on the sign up button. It will ask you to input your email address and password. Just fill those out. It's pretty straightforward and simple. Once you have a PayPal account, you can easily link your bank account so that you can withdraw all your earnings into liquid cash. Another thing you can do with PayPal is use it as an online wallet to purchase items while shopping online. It's great, and now that you've done that, it's time to start earning money just by watching videos. Number 5. Go to Feature Points. Feature Points is a great website that will pay you to watch videos. This site offers many different things, such as surveys that will earn you rewards. The entire website is rewards based, and these rewards are how you can earn some cash. While there are many different ways to earn with this website, the most interesting way by far has to be watching videos. It is simple and can be easy to make passive income. On the top of the page, you can see a blue bar next to the PayPal logo. This bar has a percentage, and once that percentage reaches 100%, you can cash out and earn money. The money goes straight to your PayPal account. You can choose which amount you'd like to set as a goal. To do this, go to the top of the page and select the Cash Out tab. That will then take you to a page with the PayPal logo. Next to the logo are some different options. The options are $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, $200, and $500. Select one of these and you can see which percentage you're at and how close you are to being able to cash out that amount. How close you are is dependent on how many points you've earned by watching videos. To start, log into the site and then go to the Offers tab on the left side of the page. Then you will see how many different offers that will give you a varying amount of points. There is one option called Ads Gem. This lets you watch videos and advertisements in exchange for points. By using this, you can earn 2,500 points. Another great way to earn points on this website is by referring a friend. And this is a great way to earn a lot of points. Refer 2 people and you can earn 25% of the rewards that they earn. And by referring 3 people, you can earn 50% of the rewards that they earn. That's a lot of points. You can download the Feature Points app in the App Store and earn through that as well. If you visit the app in the App Store, you can see that it's earned quite a few good reviews. Most reviewers in the app are quite picky about their apps, so it's a good thing this app has nearly 4.5 stars. Some reviews state that it's a pretty good app. Others say that it needs a bit of work, but overall, it's totally legit and absolutely worth it. Number 4. Download app trailers. Next on this list is App Trailers. It's an app that you can use to earn a bit of money on the side while watching videos. Simple. This app is only available in the United States, so if you're outside of the United States, you can try other apps on this video. So if you're outside of the United States, try out the other apps in this video. But with App Trailers, only available on Android, you just download and open up the app. And then, once you open up the app, you're going to see a couple of different options. The option you want to look at is the Watch Videos option. And here, when you watch videos using this app, you will accumulate points. And these points can then be turned into rewards, with one option being PayPal credits. The more videos you watch, the more rewards you get. One way to really start earning points with this is by downloading the app on your family's devices and then logging into the account. And then every time you watch videos using App Trailers, you instantly earn points. It's an easy and fast way to really rack up those rewards and cash out even more money just by watching your videos. Number 3. Go to Rewardable. This next website for you to visit is Rewardable. This is another great way to earn cash. The website's tagline itself states, "The site that pays you cash." How enticing is that? To start off with Rewardable, go to their website and click Join the app free. That's right, it's simple and free. Take a look at all the options you have to earn. You can watch videos, do surveys, take part in daily sweepstakes, visit retail stores, and many more. The app has given out millions of dollars since it started, so don't you want to be a part of that too? So how does it work? It's easy. Complete some simple tasks, such as watching videos, cash out your rewards, and then grow community status. This community status will allow you to get bigger rewards. This site has reviews for some big names such as ABC, NBC, CNET, and more. There are also great reviews for this app in the App Store, so that must say something about how well it works. In fact, it has over 10,000 5-star reviews. It is a great and reputable site, so start watching and earning with it now. Number 2. Download AppNana. AppNana is another great app that will earn you some easy cash. This is a free app that can help you to get paid just by doing simple tasks. You can watch videos, play games, and do a bunch of other things. This app can actually be a lot of fun. Just go and download it to your mobile devices. This app is available for download on both the Apple App Store and the Android App Store. Another cool thing about this app is that they have an affiliate program. If you have a YouTube channel with more than 5,000 subscribers, a large Facebook account, a popular blog, or anything similar, you can be qualified for AppNana's affiliate program. With this program, influencers and big accounts are making up to $300 a day. It works like this. You send in a form to sign up for their program. Then, once you're accepted, you will promote AppNana to use your audience to get more people to sign up for the app. You will then have a unique code that you will use, and anytime someone signs up using that code, you will earn money. Sounds great, doesn't it? This referral program is found by scrolling to the bottom of the AppNana website, so check it out. Number 1. GoToTV 2. TV2 is quite a wonderful and exciting site to use. This is probably the best one on this list, and you'll really like using it as well. With TV2, you can easily earn money just by watching YouTube videos. Isn't that quite interesting? They call themselves an entertainment ecosystem on the blockchain. But how does it work? Well, you'll need a mobile device and a smart TV. Go to the website and find the Setup tab on the right of the page. They will give you a step-by-step guide on how to set it up. This app is highly reputable, and they've been mentioned by Forbes, Vice, Entrepreneur, and many other outlets. So, let's see how it works. First, you will need to watch videos. That is the simplest part. And then, you can collect rewards, which will then be converted into cryptocurrency. And with that cryptocurrency, you'll be able to convert it into cash, so don't worry. To boost your earnings, you will also have to complete simple tasks. That means more money for you. This site is great because you can see updates and news regarding the app, so you're always in the know. Now let's take a look at the setup. In order to start, download TV2. Get the app for your Google or Android device and then also download it onto your smart TV. Having it downloaded on a smart TV isn't absolutely necessary, but it does help. Next, link your devices. Using the app on your smart TV, a QR code will appear. Scan this using the app on your mobile device. Next is the fun part. Sit back and relax and watch your videos. Machine learning will create the perfect programming for you. Every second you watch, you'll be earning crypto. And that's about it. See? Not too hard, right? If you want to convert that crypto into currency, simply go on over to the site Coinbase. Set up an account with that site, and after that, you can convert the cryptocurrency you earned into cash. The funds will be sent straight to your bank account. If you look at the app in the App Store, you can see what kind of content you will be watching. In the photos, you can see they have videos for Unbox Therapy and Dude Perfect. These are popular accounts that have allowed their videos to appear in the TV2 app. The reason they do this is so these channels can generate more ad revenue and gain new subscribers. It's a win-win situation. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.